How's it going, everybody? It's Steve's Trades here. Today is February 20th, 2025. Hope everybody had a good day trading today. I know I did. Had to take a little extra time and be patient, wait for PM trade, but we ended up taking a win, which is nice. So today we are going to get into our trade recap for the day. So starting with our top-down analysis, we had this 4-hour fair value gap that was formed. We came in, respected it, we filled it up, and then we were to continue lower off of that. If we go down into our hourly, as you can see, we ended up forming a SMT just before 9:30 open. I'll go into that. And this SMT here is before open. I unfortunately wanted a run higher up to Asia highs and then it to form an SMT and then to continue lower after 9:30 open. However, as you can see, we end up running lower just after 9:30 open right here. And we're going to end up sweeping this minor buy side, or sell side, and up running higher. Unfortunately, there is no SMT here. And then we just dropped off the face of the planet, taking out session after session after session. And we ended up taking that daily, which was one of the big bear straws without an entry. So now if I exit replay mode, as you can see, 9:30 open, took that minor sell side, came back up, no SMT, we didn't end up getting an entry, ended up going lower, we inverses hourly at 10 a.m., took out these London lows, took out these AM lows, these PM lows, they're all right here, and we ended up going into this daily, ran lower, hit this 4-hour, after that we did have this setup that we ended up not getting an entry for. This was a 1-minute inverse. However, there was a 5-minute fair value gap here that just ended up taking off and not getting an entry. So I think some people took that on the 1 minute and ended up taking the profit here, which is good for them. However, we ended up not getting an entry whatsoever on that. So then for the rest of the morning, we were just patient. It ended up chopping over lunch. And then in the first start to PM, and we ended up, this is where we took our trade, we ended up taking our win. Came up, we opened this 4-hour with 2 PM. This 4-hour right here that was opened. Let's drop back down. So we came in, swept this buy side on NQ, made an SMT with yes, tapped this 4-hour, had a clean rejection, and then we had this nice 1-minute inverse fair value gap here, and then I wrote it down to this unfilled 5-minute. This is where I took my profit, and then I know some people also wrote it down to these equal lows right here for a full profit of 3-to-1 RR, and I ended up taking a 1-to-1, which is okay, but I could have ended up with more. So yeah, after we ended up taking those equal lows out, we ran, touched this unfilled 5, and then we just made a V-shaped recovery right after that. So I was pretty much just done. I got off for the day. As you can see, it's about 3:30 p.m. right now, and I'm filming this recap because I had to wait all day for this trade. About, waited from open till 2:23 p.m. to get our trade, but that is a-okay because patience pays out. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Feel free to join the Discord, and have a good day, everybody. Totally forgot to record this. This is just proof of execution. My arrows, when I was doing my recording part of the recap, I did not show the arrows on NQ1 because I executed on MNQ. But here is my executions on my TradeVid account.